For we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Tokwe and this is Top News by Tokwe. So if today is the first time you're seeing my face or coming across a video of mine, I'm a fragrance reviewer from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll be elated if you subscribe to the channel. Today in the video, I have an unboxing and first impressions of Paris Corner's Shades of Dark series, the Emir collection. I have a fragrance that I want to share with you. So if you're interested in knowing which fragrance it is and what my opinions are on this fragrance, without much ado, let's get into the video. Back to the video. So we're going to go straight, and this is the fragrance. I like the packaging. This is a black container and it has this shade of dark. Okay, and then there's like a hologram for security and all those stuff. It's a can. The top is black, the bottom too is black. They have the emir seal at the top. I don't know if you can see it. So let's open. You screw it open like this, like I'm doing, and bam, it's here. So it says on this, it's a dark black bottle with a gold tassel, and it sits nicely in this canister like this, as you can see. It's very pretty, and this is what it is. It has this gold plaque on it like this that says when soul gets high. So this, if I'm not mistaken, is a dupe of Killian's Back to Black. I'm going to insect yeah, I think that is what it is. Not the intoxicate, no. So this is it. This, again, with my notebook, let me tell you what the notes are so that you are aware of the notes. Okay, so it has tobacco, almond, amber, tonka, honey, cherry, benzoin, cardamom, saffron, bergamot, patchouli, oak, and coriander. Okay, those are the notes in this. It has a lot going on. Honestly, I don't like this one. Of the three, this is my least favorite. This has a lot. It's too dark, it's too deep for me. So it starts off slightly sweet and green, which I'm thinking it's from the coriander. Then it begins to get a bit smoky. Then it gets gets a bit smoky, slightly sweet, but not very sweet. And it gets very creamy, definitely from the almond. This one, right, it's very good, but it's quite complex. That's one of the reasons why I struggled, because the day I wore it, it seemed to go everywhere. It gets smoky, it got sweet, it got creamy, it got vanilla-y, it got, and it has benzoin, and it has tonka in it. So it's very full-bodied and very deep and dark, okay? This for me is a very beautiful scent. It's for people that love very complex scents, okay? It's a bit slightly earthy, but definitely the tobacco comes in when it begins to dry down. At the dry down on my skin, I get a lot more of tobacco, tonka bean. I get some of the cardamom in it, and then I don't get. One thing I realized, I don't get the saffron in this scent at all. The saffron my skin doesn't pull saffron from this. This in it all is a very deep, dark, tobacco heavy with honey drizzled on it. It's a very nice, deep, complex scent. I'm going to tell you. The complexity, this is one that I'm going to take my time and study it again, because it was too much for me. I can't believe I'm saying that the fragrance is too much, but to be honest, it was very much too much for me. And it's very strong. This is very strong. It projects for the first 2 hours. It has like an arm to an arm's length and half of sillage. It really does fill the room. You leave a beautiful scent trail. I find that I would say that longevity wise, this lasted a bit longer than the first one I tried, which is Fire Your Desire. This one did about 6 hours on my skin, and it had quite, active projection. It projected for about 2 hours, to be honest. So this one was a bit strong for me. And then when the 2 days I tried this, both the day and the night, it had rained. So I don't know if the coolness of the weather also added to the performance of this. I'd say that this leans more masculine, even though it's unisex, to be honest. If you're a woman that likes strong scents, you may definitely appreciate this. But even for me, this was a bit too strong for me, and just also a bit too over the place for me, to be honest. with when the soul gets high. But it's super beautiful. My husband appreciates this so much. That's why I say that if you like that kind of a scent, this one is definitely, after all my reviews, this one I'm going to give to my husband for him to have. It's going to be his. I'm not even going to try and take it away from him, because it's beautiful, but I think this belongs to my husband. It's not my cup of tea. It's not something that I want to mess around with, but it's a great scent. But it's not, I don't know, I like tobacco scents, but I like honey too. Honestly, these notes are supposed to work, but it doesn't work for me, just to say so. I don't like it, I don't enjoy it, it's not my cup of tea. And so this is When Soul Gets High by Emir Collection. If you've had any experience with this, I'm very interested in hearing, because maybe I'm wrong, maybe I should give it, I'm still going to give it some, because I've only tried it twice. But even at that, I know me, usually it's a few times when I will, if I'm going to like a fragrance, I know, but I'm still going to give it a bit of time just to see how I feel about it before I try to give it out. But I'm not very pulled by it, I'm not very drawn by it. That's just basically how I feel about When Soul Gets High. Let me know if you've had any experience with any of the fragrances in the Shades of Dark series by Paris Corner in the Emir Collection. But I know that the quality of these fragrances are quite good, very, very good. And they're a bit more expensive. These ones retail at about 13 to 15,000 naira in here, Lagos, Nigeria here. And I bought this from an Instagram vendor called Perfumes for Less NG on Instagram, so you can contact. I'm going to also drop that in my description box so that you can have it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've had any experience with this fragrance, please let me know. Comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.